So yeah, Will Reedy. I'm got a few hats that I wear. So I work for Accenture New Zealand, Aotearoa as their health lead, part of a global health team, and then I moonlight as a doctor in Te Whatu Ora. So a few roles, and I used to work in the mighty Waikato, which we'll hear about shortly. Part of my role at Accenture is helping the system move forward with some of the things we do, and we work closely with HiNZ to set up this Catalyst Award, and it was really around recognising individuals, or in this case teams, that are making a big difference in transforming how our kaimahi, our workforce, are delivering innovation. And then a key part of the award was, not as a catalyst, is what can you do, for example, in the mighty Waikato, and how can you make that something that goes across the whole country quite easily. So we'll talk about that soon as well.
Perfect. And we announced the winners today, and we have them here on the podcast. So can you just both introduce yourselves, tell us a little bit about your project?
Yeah, sure. My name's Gavin Reddish. I am a nurse manager at Waikato Hospital and currently in an operational director role. I was more the end user of the app that we designed. It was in response to needing to plan for some industrial action that we've had recently with NZNO, one of our unions, and we were tasked with designing a system for managing rosters and the LPS response, which is the life-preserving service that we must provide during a strike. The app that we developed replaced a whole lot of different Excel spreadsheets that we'd previously used to run a strike, and it was a bit of a jumbling mess with no ability to have a high-level overview or visibility. And because of the different formatting of the spreadsheets, we couldn't generate any valuable reports. We designed. Built the app and rolled it out in the space of 2 weeks, and we're now using it for our third strike this year, and it's been really successful and helped us to get the right staff to the right place in a really efficient way.
Hi, I'm Rachel Clarke. I'm an analyst in the Integrated Operations Centre. I was in the kind of supporting team that helped build the app. My main role was to get data out of our rostering systems and supply it into the app. It was a really great project to work on. Really great to see that we could do something so quickly, right? And that it was so beneficial to the way in which we managed the strikes.
Fantastic. Yeah, you certainly sound like you worked at pace. So, Will, you were also one of the judges of the award. Can you just tell us about the other entries and finalists and why you chose this project as the winner?
Yeah, so it's great. We had 17, different teams across the country apply for the award, and the judging panel, which included people from primary care, people from academia and people from Health New Zealand, including myself, evaluated the 17 applications, and we had some criteria, and we got down to a final 3, which included the team from Waikato in the IOC project, we called it. There were evaluation criteria, and the things we were looking for were innovation, which I guess you guys have shared elements of as well, the ability for the solution that was built to be used across the country over time, in terms of taking that innovation from a district and rolling it out across the region and the rest of the country. The other thing that we quite liked about the project was the team approach, from what I call a clinical or business perspective, and with the technology side of Waikato as well. There's a really good piece that these guys wrote about the benefits qualitatively and quantitatively, which was quite compelling. And the last bit was how their project in particular addressed equity. So of the 17 applications in the shortlisted 3, certainly the story around what these guys delivered in terms of addressing equity with technology was a big differentiator for them as well. So yeah, all in all, a great process, and the criteria ultimately went from 17 to 3, and then these guys were selected because of those 4 or 5 criteria.
Perfect. And Will just said that you were talking about the benefits there. Can one of you just talk more about what you've achieved?
So previous strikes, I'll use example of our LPS staffing response during a strike. We have a pool of nurses and HCAs that turn up, and some non-clinical volunteers as well, non-striking nurses as well, and we deploy them on a need, where there's a need in the hospital, depending on what is happening or the acuity in certain areas. Previous strikes, we've jumbled our way through those Excel spreadsheets to try and get the right skill to the right place. This app actually took all of that and made it a lot more efficient, so we could, when at a certain area rung the IOC needing certain response, clinical response, we could actually identify the right nurse or the right HCA or the right clinical volunteer and get them to that area in a very short space of time, and able to track that as well. There was benefits for the charge nurses on the floor as well when they were planning ahead, so that they could have really good visibility of their rosters leading into it. And then we, on the day, had that higher level view, knowing where our staff were at any one point in time.
Fabulous. And so you obviously only found out a couple of hours ago that you won, but how did that feel? And can you just tell us an insight into what might be next for the app?
Well, it was pretty exciting to win because, pretty unexpected, I guess, But, really great to be here, and have been enjoying the conference too, so lots of benefits there for us. What's going to happen next with our app? There was some more functionality that we wanted to put into it. So it gives you a lot of it is perhaps about exporting the data out of it and doing reporting and more analytics. That's, from my perspective, one of the things that we could do more of it from a kind of operational perspective. Did you have some thoughts?
Yeah, so version 3, we're up to version 2, build 397, but version 3 we would like to build in behind the safe or the minimum staff matrix from our rostering system into the app, based on what we call our LPS rostering, so that then once the charge nurses have entered the data, we can see overs and unders around the hospital and be able to smooth that either beforehand or on the day.
Great. Well, it's lovely to hear a story, about having a problem, finding a solution, and hopefully the award is a catalyst for you taking it further and scaling it up. So thanks to Accenture for sponsoring, and lovely to have you here, and congratulations.
Thank you.